The music festival jazz concert is now live on Rollercoin. Let's check out all the great rewards that you can receive from this event. Stay tuned. Okay, so Rollercoin are back with jazz concert, and this is a puzzle event very similar to the advent calendar events that there were in the past and other puzzle events that there were in the past as well on Rollercoin. So on my screen here you can see the Rollercoin homepage, and here you can see the jazz concert, which still has another 3 days and 3 hours and 46 minutes remaining at the time of recording this video. So if we click on the jazz concert, we can go straight into the event. As you can see, I've already discovered around 3 pieces, or 4 pieces actually, 4 pieces, and I've received also the first reward. So if you're new to this, the way this works is as follows. So you complete tasks here, okay? So if you complete 12 of these tasks that you see here, at the moment I've completed the first 4, then you will get the last prize here when you complete the total 12 tasks, okay? Now here you've actually got 16 tasks, and the 16 tasks are there so that if you want to go beyond getting the number 12 miner here, which is the smooth crypto miner that you actually need to get Freddy Showtime Mega Miner at 20 petahash. So this is what you do actually need to get that miner. Beyond that, you can actually still continue to open the last 4 pieces that will remain in the puzzle and continue to get further prizes and rewards as well if you want to do all 16 of the tasks, okay? So you've got 16 pieces in total basically here. So you've got even other powerful miners like the Quantum Crawler at 300 terahash. There is also the Ion Energy, that's a whopping 600 terahash, and it also gives you a 0.45% bonus as well. There's the Retro Blitz, that's going to give you a cool 1% bonus, and as well 150 terahash in power. You've also got 2.5 petahash temporary bonuses here. That lasts for 7 days. I believe I've already opened the other one. There was another one like it. You've got a couple of RST, like 1000 RST there as well. So those are pretty good to help you use those RST before the season ends, so that you can get even more rewards. You can maybe even buy more parts with the RST and merge those miners to become even more powerful miners and get even bigger bonuses. Retro Night, if you don't already have it, you can get a 2% bonus there as well. There are some other parts that you can acquire as well, and there is also a whopping Roller Alt Token 2.2 petahash miner with a cool 2% attached to it. That is the most powerful one that you can get in this puzzle event, okay? The Jazz Concert puzzle event. So here you need to get these musical notes. As you can see, I've already gotten 4 musical notes. I managed to get the Plasma Pulse at 400 terahash already. After that, if I get another 4, if I do another 4 tasks, then I'll go up and I'll be able to get the Skeleton Dance, which has a 1.25 petahash power attached to it. I think it does have a bonus as well. In order to check the bonuses, since they're not written here, I normally just copy that Skeleton Dance, for example, and I go to the marketplace and I just paste that in there, and I can see that Skeleton Dance also has a 1% bonus attached to it. Okay, so back here, and we can see the rest of them. And like I said earlier, the smooth crypto miner is a 2 petahash miner, and this is one of those 9 that you will need in order to get Freddy Showtime with a 20 petahash power, okay? So here, just going back to that blog that I showed you in a previous video, we are up to here basically. So Drum and Mine crafting offer is currently going on, so be sure to craft that if you haven't already, because that's one of the miners. If you don't have the parts, it might be more worth it just to buy the miner. You do need, I believe, 10 RLT in order to craft that. So Drum and Mine, if we go to this store and we go to crafting offer, we can see that Drum and Mine is here, and you need 10 RLT and you need some rare parts here, okay? You need 8 fans, 6 wires and 3 hash boards in order to be able to craft that miner. It'll take 4 hours to craft, okay? So I've already got that. I've already got Drum and Mine. I've crafted it. I actually needed to buy a few parts, didn't need to buy all of them. But when I just compare that to the market, it was still cheaper for me to craft it. If you need to buy all of the parts, just make sure to do your homework properly and check how much that's going to cost you. So what I would do in this case is I'll just get drum and mine, I'd put it in the marketplace, and that's going for 31 RLT. So I know that I need 10 RLT just to craft it. And then how much are the parts going to cost? So clear this, go to parts, and in this case we need rare parts, and you just add these up and see how much that's going to cost you, okay? So if you need like all of the hash boards, all of the fans, all of the wires, it might be more worth it just to buy it from the marketplace. But I don't know if that is the case or not, so just add those up, see how many hash boards you need. If you've already got some of the parts like I had, then it would be more worth it to craft, most probably, okay? So just compare, contrast, and see what works for you. So what else do we have? So at the moment we've got the Bongo Beatmaster sale, the percussion sale, another sale which I missed, okay? Within the first 15 minutes, the 550 units that were available totally disappeared in just 15 minutes, I'm telling you. It was incredible, just gone, okay? And again, I had to buy it from the marketplace, and I had to buy it for approximately 73 RLT, which is quite a hefty price tag. But as I had said when this blog actually came out, these will be hyped up in the market. They will go for a higher price because obviously other rollers know that you need it in order to get through this showtime. So that's why they hype up those prices. Obviously for 73 RLT, you can get something much better than 706 terahash, and an even better bonus as well, because I believe this only has 0.25%. If we go to the market price right now, I'm going to tell you how much exactly it's going for. So it's currently at 72.97. That's pretty much the price I had bought the Bongo Beatmaster for, because unfortunately, by the time I had logged in to the site, 15 minutes had already passed and all of the miners had disappeared, as you can see here, okay? There were 550 units. All of them just vanished. So be sure to be on the ball on these things. My advice to you is like set reminders. If you're really into the game and you really want to get that sale straight away, set a reminder like 2 minutes before the actual event starts. Be sure to refresh the page and just as soon as it comes available, buy miner, buy miner. The price here was probably cheaper than is being sold at the moment in the marketplace. If you do know how much the actual price was, do let me know, because by the time I had actually logged into this percussion sale, this was already gone. The Bongo Beatmaster had already gone, so I don't know how much it was actually going for. So if you do know how much it was, let me know down in the comment section below. But currently in the marketplace, it's at 73 RLT. Okay, so the Bongo Master, the smoothed crypto miner that I just discussed that you can get from the Jazz Concert Puzzle event, you've got until the 19th of April. That is another 3 days remaining. Crypto Maestro is going to be on from the 20th of April, and there's also going to be another progression event that's going to be going on called Rock Concert Progression Event from the 21st to the 25th of April to get the McCartney Crypto Rift. And then Syntho Keys is going to be another sale, so that reminder again on the 22nd of April. Normally it's out on the 22nd of April at 3 p.m. UTC time, so see what time that is for you. You're very unfortunate for you if you live in the part of the world where it's like really early morning and you're sleeping at that time, because by the time you probably go to that techno sale, it's going to be sold out, okay? So Syntho Keys is 1.7 petahash, and that's one of the last miners that you're going to need in order to get this one, Freddy's Showtime, at 20.5 petahash and a 7% bonus. Alright, so I hope that you found this video useful. This is pretty much all I wanted to tell you for today. Jazz Concert is currently there. Remember that you're getting double rewards for each 4 tasks that you're completing. So you're always getting a reward with each task that you're completing from the puzzle. And then with the 4th one, with the 8th one, and with the 12th one, you're getting an additional prize, okay? So you're getting double the rewards for each 4, okay? So be sure to try and get all of those rewards, or most of them, at the very least, try and get the Smooth Crypto Miner. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button, and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.